How to pair Firestick remote. 2 easy methods. Method 1 via pressing the home button. Step 1. Make sure there is fresh batteries inside your new Firestick remote. Step 2. After checking the batteries, press and hold the home button for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 3. After releasing the home button, check if your Firestick remote start working or not. If it doesn't work for you, try second method via resetting the remote. Step 1. Unplug your TV and Firestick device from the power for 60 seconds. Step 2. Then press and hold the left, menu and back buttons on your remote for 10 seconds. Step 3. Wait 5 seconds and then remove the batteries from your remote. Step 4. Plug your TV and Firestick back into the power outlet and wait until you see the Fire TV home screen. Step 5. Reinsert the batteries in your remote. Step 6. Now finally press and hold the home button for 10 to 15 seconds. Or until you see a light on your remote start to blink rapidly. This indicates that remote is in pairing mode. I hope with these steps your remote will start working. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.